Classic Cartel ENT. We are the
Y'all won't believe a nigga recorded this in the car. That's how bad I want this shit.
Late nights turn to early mornings. Jalen hit my phone to make sure I'm recording. Liquor in my cup, it's the Henny I'm on it. It's hard to block the pain, I just try to ignore it. Exes hit my phone, I just try to avoid them. Funny how everything come alive when money not a surprise. Problems start to grow, I'm seeing my mama cry.
Pops left home but never once left my side. Niggas want it all, so they killing up beside.
Maybe I just bit off a piece that's just oversized. Now it's too late to try to link and compromise. I don't see a world where we could all coincide. I gotta start sleeping in the studio. Say that I'm the best, I gotta prove it though. But fans wanna listen to these stupid foes. Soon as you call them out, they call you a groupie hoe. Had to open up my closet, let the demons out. Sent the prayers up, now the blessings raining down. Niggas want my spot, they gotta take it now. 2017, it's the year 21. Stuck in this cocoon, my people say that I'm the one. So I'ma spread my wings just to see what I become. Started as a dream, I mean to make it where I'm from. Still staying patient while I stack it up. Yeah, you had your 15, but you ran out of luck. All my niggas ballin' and we playin' for them bucks. All these women callin', they just hope I slip up. 75-10, turn me to a man. And if I had the chance, I would do it all again. I hope me and Lexi can call it even. I was fighting my heart, plus I was fighting demons. Even though we weren't together, it felt like you cheated. But shit, let's let the past be the past. Still give it a whirl. Sometimes I wanna hit you, but I know that shit is different. My people told me slow down, but I just didn't listen. How you on the honor roll, but baking in the kitchen? And what you tell your mama every single night you missing? Don't hold that shit against me, I was young and I was tripping. Codeine sipping, weed smoking in my feelings. I miss my niggas. I wish I could visit heaven, come and kick it with you. But I know you up there smiling for a nigga. Cause every time I hit the booth, I'm wildin' on these niggas. I ran me up a P and now I'm styling on these niggas. Look, check it. Late nights turn to early mornings. Had to tap the mic to make sure we recording. Spitting out these dreams, I just hope I perform them. Giving you my all and that's all that I owe 'em. Debo had my back way before I could know it. I do this for my sisters, I hope that they know it. Investing all my money before I could blow it. I know I had the talent, just wanted to show it. Tell Cole, give me a call. I've been looking up the useless posters on my wall. Shelltown baby, South Atlanta raised me. I've been through the worst, so it ain't that much that fazed me. Practicing controlling all of my emotions. It's hard to show some feelings and remain focused. It's been a year since we got to speak. Thinking back to the times when you had a nigga weak. Everything was official, but we still like to creep. Felt like Tori was always my missing piece, but I've been slipping on my text, so I hope she missing me. I know the distance created all of this distance. They say time, heal our wounds. It's a cold world, just hope a nigga bloom.